Next, today we discuss in this section what is the atomic symbol. Already we have discussed symbol. Suppose sodium. Sodium is N capital, S small. But when you write one letter, that is K is capital. Clear? Is that clear? Sodium. If there are two in symbol, if there are two letters, first letter is always capital, second letter is always small. First letter cannot be small, second letter cannot be capital. Clear? Next, we have to know what is the atomic number of that element and what is the atomic number of that element. We will discuss one atom. What is atomic number? First, atomic number. Write down. This is not given in your atomic number of an element is defined as the atomic number of an element is defined as the number of protons and electrons present in it. Atomic number of an element is defined as the number of protons and electrons present in it. Suppose we know the atomic number of that element, we can know the how many number of protons and how many number of electrons are present in it. So we will discuss what is the atomic number of each element up to 30 as your beginners, up to 30 element, atomic number, atomic mass, what is the symbol of that element, you should know. Clear? This is very important basic things. All the students you should know before reading basic concept. So atomic number of an element is defined as the number of protons and number of electrons present in it. Here, so I will give you a chart. Atomic number, name, symbol, approximate atomic mass. Clear? First is atomic number. Atomic number. Next is name. Atomic number, name. Next is symbol. Symbol, atomic number, name, symbol, approximate atomic mass. Clear? I will give you a chart. You have to remember this chart. What is the atomic number? What is the name of the element? And what is the symbol? What is the approximate atomic mass? This is very important. Clear? So up to 30 elements, I will give you the data. Clear? First is atomic number 1. 1 is the atomic number. The element name is hydrogen. 1 atomic number. What is the name of the element? Hydrogen. Symbol is H, capital H. Atomic mass 1. Atomic mass is 1. Clear? Look at hydrogen by symbol called capital H. Atomic mass, approximate atomic mass 1. Then atomic number 1. So in hydrogen there are 1 protons and 1 electron. Jar atomic number jana achi tala proton ebong electron ame kadi pariba. Clear? So atomic number of hydrogen 1. So 1 proton and 1 electron. 2. Next, atomic number 2. Helium. Helium atomic symbol is He. Look at H capital, E is small. তার একটা approximate mass 4.0. Clear? Look at hydrogen, atomic number 1, symbol is H, approximate atomic mass 1. Helium, atomic number 2, name is helium, symbol He, approximate atomic mass 4.0. Next, 3. Lithium. Li, lithium, Li. This atomic mass is 7. So these are the approximate atomic mass I am giving. Exact, not it is not needed to remember the exact atomic mass. You should remember the approximate atomic mass, and also you can calculate this problem. So 3, 4 is beryllium. B-E-R-Y. Beryllium. B-E, beryllium. Tar atomic, what is the atomic number? 4. Then what is the approximate atomic mass? 9.0. 9.0. Then 5. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Boron, symbol is B. Symbol is B. Boron is how much? 11. 5. Boron B, it has you get that 11. So hydrogen 1, approximate atomic mass 1, 2 atomic number helium, He, approximate atomic mass 4.0 or 4. 3 atomic number lithium, symbol Li, L is capital, I is small, atomic mass 7. 4 beryllium, Be, B capital, E small, 9 approximate atomic mass 5 atomic number boron, name, symbol B, it is 11. Next 6 carbon, symbol is C, it is 12. Clear? Carbon atomic number 6. Atomic number 6 means number of protons is 6, number of electrons is 6. 6 proton, 6 electron in carbon, symbol is C, approximate atomic mass is 12. Clear? Next. After carbon, next data is 7. I am erasing this. Next is atomic number 7, name, nitrogen, symbol is N, atomic number 14, atomic number 14, 8, oxygen, 8, oxygen O, तारा कहते हैं शिवा, oxygen is 16, 16, atomic mass, approximate atomic mass 16. You have to remember at least up to 20, you must remember all the atomic number and approximate atomic mass. Up to 30 it is good. I will give you the data up to atomic number 30. Clear? So next is 7 8 9 9 is how much? Fluorine. FLU fluorine. FLUORINE. Fluorine symbol एति fluorine न कहते 16 परे 19 तापर 10 नाइट्रोऑक्सिल फ्लोरीन परे नियॉन neon is 20. Neon is how much? 20. Then 11 is sodium, symbol is Na, this is 23. Clear? 11 is sodium, symbol part Na and capital S small, at approximate was 23. Clear? Magnesium, magnesium is 24. Look at magnesium atomic number 12, name magnesium, symbol Mg, approximate atomic mass 24. Again I am telling, atomic number 7, name is nitrogen, symbol is capital N, approximate atomic mass 40. Atomic number 8, name is oxygen, symbol is O, approximate atomic mass 16. Next, atomic number 9, name is fluorine, symbol is F, approximate atomic mass 19. Atomic number 10, name is neon, symbol is Ne, approximate atomic mass 20. Then atomic number 11, name is sodium, symbol is Na, approximate atomic mass is 23. Name atomic number 12, name is magnesium, symbol is Mg, approximate atomic mass 24. Clear? Next. Next, 30. Aluminium, symbol is Al. Look at 13 is atomic number, name is aluminium, symbol is Al, atomic number, approximate atomic mass 27. Clear? Approximate atomic mass 27. Atomic number is 13, name is aluminium, symbol is Al, approximate atomic mass 27. Next, 14. 14 is What? Silicon. Silicon Si. Silicon Si. Silicon Si. तो तार ये आसीबो 14 आसीले 28. Next 15. Silicon phosphorus. Phosphorus P. Phosphorus P. এটা কেতে আসিব এই phosphorus P 31. Next 16. Sulfur 16. Symbol is that is 32. Listen, 13 is atomic number. Name is aluminium. Symbol is Al. Approximate atomic mass 27. 14 atomic number. Name is silicon. Symbol is Si. Approximate atomic mass 28. Next atomic number 15. Name is phosphorus. Symbol is P. Approximate atomic mass 31. Next 16. Next is atomic number 16. Name is sulfur. Atomic number 16. Name is sulfur. Symbol is sulfur. Approximate atomic mass 32. Next 17. Sulfur. Chlorine. Symbol is Cl. 35.5. Look at, very important. This atomic number, approximate number, you should remember this is very important. Sulfur, chlorine, most of the time put that question. So chlorine, C is capital, L is small, 35.5. Chlorine is 35.5. Itala atomic number 17. Name is chlorine. Symbol is Cl. Approximate atomic mass 35.5. Next. Next 18. Argon. Symbol is Ar. Atomic number 18. Name is argon. Symbol is Ar. So argon atomic approximate is 40. 19 atomic number. Name is what? Potassium. Name is potassium. Symbol is K. This is 39. Then 20. Calcium. Ca. That is 40. That is 40. 20 calcium, symbol is Ca, approximate atomic mass 40. Clear? So this is all about up to 20. Very important, up to 20 you should remember all the things. Up to atomic number 1 to 20 is compulsory. After that you will try subsequently after 21 atomic numbers. Can't you do it? But up to 20 you should try to remember the atomic number symbol, and approximate atomic mass. You should remember the atomic number, symbol, and approximate atomic mass. Here, then 21. 21 scandium. Scandium SC. 21 scandium SC. It is 45. 45. Clear? 21 atomic number, symbol name is scandium, symbol is SC, approximate atomic mass 45. Is that clear? Next. Next is 22. Scandium. 22 is what? Titanium. Titanium. Ti. Scandium. Titanium. 48. Titanium approximate atomic mass is 48. Scandium, titanium. Next, 23. Vanadium. Vanadium symbol is V. Vanadium. This is 51. 51. Then 24. Chromium. Cr. Chromium is how much? 52. Chromium is 52. Look at atomic number 24. Chromium symbol is Cr. Approximate atomic mass 52. Then 25. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Manganese. Mn. Manganese 55. Manganese is 55. Then 26. Chromium, manganese, iron. Iron symbol is Fe. Symbol iron is 56. Iron is 56. Look at atomic number 22. Atomic number 22. Name is titanium. Symbol is Ti. Approximate atomic mass 48. Next, atomic number 23. Name is vanadium. Symbol is V. Capital V only. One letter. When you are writing one letter, always this is capital. Approximate atomic mass 51. Next, 24 atomic number. Name is chromium. Symbol Cr. Approximate atomic mass 52. 25 atomic number. Name is manganese. Symbol is Mn. Approximate atomic mass 55. Next, 26 atomic number. Name is iron. Symbol is Fe. Approximate atomic mass 56. Next, Twenty-seven is cobalt. Cobalt 27 is cobalt 59. 27 is cobalt 59. 28 is nickel. Nickel Ni. Nickel is also 59. Look at this is 59. This is approximate value. This is 58 point something. This is also 58 point something. But I am writing the approximate value. So cobalt is 59. Nickel is also 59. Next 29 copper Cu. Copper is how much? 63.5. 63.5. Then 30 atomic number, that is zinc. Zn 65. Look at this. So 27 atomic number, name is cobalt, symbol is CO. C capital, O is small, approximate atomic mass 59. This is 58 point something actually. This is also 58 point something. I am writing approximately 59. Next 28. 28 is the atomic number, name is nickel, symbol capital Ni, then approximate atomic mass 59. Next 29 atomic number, name is copper, symbol Cu. This is Cu, not this is actually C. You can write it in this pattern, C then U. C then U, Cu 63.5. Next 30. The name is zinc, symbol is Zn, approximate atomic mass 65. Approximate atomic mass what? 65. Is that clear? So this is all about the atomic number and symbol, atomic number, name, symbol and approximate atomic mass. Next we will discuss about the valency of an element. What is valency or valency of an element? We will discuss after that formula. Clear? So valency of an element, we will discuss valency or combining capacity of element. Next, you will actually in notes it is written slightly later, but first we will discuss the valency, then the formula, then how to write the formula. It is already the order. I have written slide previously, but now we discuss about valency or combining capacity of element. Valency or combining capacity of elements. Valency or combining capacity of elements. Valency or combining capacity of elements. So what is valency and what is the combining capacity of an element? Valency of first we will discuss the definition of valency. Valency of an element is defined as the number of hydrogen or number of chlorine atoms or double the number of oxygen atom attached to the number of oxygen with which atom of that element combine. Simple, केतटा हाइड्रोजन एटम किंबा केतटा क्लोरीन एटम किंबा केतटा डबल द नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम कंबाइन हेची गुटा एलिमेंट को दैट इज कॉल्ड valency. Simple combining capacity of atom, but that is actually the old definition. Valency we first one याला combining capacity of atom. आगे हम डिस्कस करूँची what is the definition of valency तापरे आमे सिंपल मेथड रे किमती वैलेंसी कराला डिस्कस करिवा तापरे modern method what is the definition of valency we will discuss clear so valency of an element valency of an element may be valency of an element may be defined as the valency of an element may be defined as the number of valency of an element may be defined as the number of hydrogen atoms. Valency of an element may be defined as the number of hydrogen atoms or the number of chlorine number of hydrogen atoms or the number of chlorine atoms or double the number of oxygen atom or double the number of oxygen atom with which one atom of that element combines. Look at very important definition. Valency of an element may be defined as the number of hydrogen atom. Number of hydrogen means ketata hydrogen atom combine hoichi or the number of chlorine atom. Ketata hydrogen atom kimba ketata chlorine atom or double the number of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom jatra combine hoibo tara double ta nai. So simple, we can say that valency is the combining capacity of element. Valency ka koibo combining capacity of element. Actually, this is the old definition where one atom of nitrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen to form NH3. We'll take an example now. Suppose when one atom of hydrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen to form NH3. Look at this. This is very important example. When one atom of nitrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen to form ammonia. Look at in NH3 nitrogen ketna hydrogen sହିତ combine hoichi 3 टा. So valency of nitrogen is 3. तरो जेतेटा combine हेतिबो combining capacity of element. So valency of nitrogen is kete 3. So valency of nitrogen is 3. So valency of nitrogen is 3. Clear? So valency of when one atom of nitrogen combines with 3 atoms of hydrogen to form NH3, so valency of nitrogen is 3. Is that clear? जेतले गोटे एटम नाइट्रोजन रो कंबाइन होची तीनटा एटम हाइड्रोजन रो तो वैलेंसी ऑफ नाइट्रोजन केते आसीबो 3. Another example, when one atom of aluminium combines with 3 atoms of chlorine to form AlCl3. So valency of aluminium is 3. So valency of aluminium is 3. Very important example. Look at from this example you can clear. Look at 80 NH3 in NH3 nitrogen को कितना हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन होची ना 3टा हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन तो valency of nitrogen केते 3. 80 AlCl3 in AlCl3 in aluminium को कितना क्लोरीन कंबाइन होची ना 3टा क्लोरीन कंबाइन होची तो valency of aluminium is केते 3. Clear? According to the definition, look at defining the number of hydrogen atom. 80 hydrogen NH3 तीनटा combine होची तनो valency ला 3. 80 number of chlorine atoms. 80 केतरा chlorine को combine होची तीनटा. जे तीनटा chlorine combine होची तनो valency केते 3. Valency of aluminum is 3. Since 3 chlorines are attached to aluminium, so the valency of aluminum is 3. Because as according to the definition of valency, combining capacity of element. See, in AlCl3 the combining capacity is 3, so valency of aluminum is 3. In ammonia NH3 the valency of nitrogen is 3. Valency of nitrogen is 3. Clear? Next, another example I am also giving. Another example. Look at when one atom of outer example because when one atom of zinc combines with when one atom of zinc combines with when one atom of zinc combines with one atom of when one atom of zinc combines with one atom of oxygen. When one atom of zinc combines with one atom of oxygen, so double the number of oxygen. So double the number of oxygen atoms. So double the number of oxygen atoms is the valency. Double the number of oxygen atoms is the valency of zinc. So valency of zinc is the valency of zinc is 2. So the valency of zinc is 2. Look at one atom of zinc combines with one atom of oxygen. So double the number of oxygen atom is the valency of zinc. According to the definition, look at here, double the number of oxygen atoms with which one atom of that element combined. Here, double the number of oxygen atom with which one atom of that element combined. Here, zinc combines with oxygen. Zinc combined with oxygen to form ZnO. That is valency of Zn is how much? 2. Valency of Zn is 2. In case of oxygen, it is double the number. But in case of hydrogen and chlorine, how much number of hydrogen or how much number of chlorine that are attached to the element, that is called combining. How much elements, मूल element को कितना combine नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ how many number of hydrogen or how many number of chlorines that are attached to the nitrogen or aluminium, that is called its valency. Here, so valency is simply the combining capacity of element. Valency is simply the combining capacity of element. Here, another example. Suppose our example there is determine valency of Al2O3. Al2O3. Valency कितने आसीबो? Valency of aluminium is कितने? 3. Double दिया हुआ कितना? Al2 अच्छी, तो valency कितने आसीबो? 3 आसीबो. Valency ला 3. Clear? Let us take another examples. Let us consider few compounds of. Let us consider few compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Let us consider few compounds of carbon and hydrogen. But first in methane. Methane formula CH4. Methane formula is what? CH4. CH4. Carbon valence is how much number of hydrogen is attached to it? There are 4 hydrogen attached to carbon. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogens are attached to carbon, so the valency of carbon is 4. So the valency of carbon is 4. So the valency of carbon is how much? 4. Because in methane CH4 formula, how many hydrogens are attached to it? There are 4 hydrogens attached to it. So according to the definition of valency, we know that valency of an element is defined as the number of hydrogens or number of chlorine or double the number of oxygen atom that will be attached to the central element of that element with which combines. That is the definition. So carbon को कितना hydrogen combine है? कितना hydrogen combine? 4. So since 4 number of hydrogen atoms are combined to carbon, so the valency of carbon is how much? 4. Clear? जितना हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन होइतिबो सेटा तार वैलेंसी, जितना क्लोरीन कंबाइन होइतिबो सेटा तार वैलेंसी, किंबा डबल द नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम दैट विल बी द वैलेंसी. इन केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डबल द नंबर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट सपोज इन C2H6. In C2H6 valency of carbon is how much? In C2H6 the valency of carbon is how much? In C2H6 the valency of carbon is 3. In C2H6 the valency of carbon is how much? 3. Since H3 hydrogen atoms H3 hydrogen atoms combine with as 3 hydrogen atoms combine with 1 carbon. As 3 hydrogen atoms combine with 1 carbon atom. गोटे कार्बन एटम को केतना हाइड्रोजन लगी छै? दुईटा कार्बन अछि, गोटे कार्बन को तीनटा लगी छै. सिंस तीनटा हाइड्रोजन लगी छै, तो वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन एक क्षेत्र इन C2H6. According to this definition, valency of carbon is 3 when in C2H6. In C2H6. Next, in C2H4. In C2H4. Kete achi valency? C2H4 the valency of carbon is 2. In C2H4 the valency of carbon is 2. In C2H6, in C2H4 the valency of carbon is how much? 2. In C2H2, in C2H2 the valency of carbon is 1. In C2H2 the valency of carbon is how much? 1. Look at CH4, same carbon element, valency 4. In C2H6 carbon element, valency is here valency is 4, here valency is 3, here valency is 2, here valency is 1. So one element, that shows the variable valency. In above compounds we observe the valency of carbon is 4. In the above compounds we observe that the valency of carbon is 4, 3, 2, 1. गोटे कार्बन valency रा करा 4 भी आसिला, 3 आसिला, 2 आसिला, 1 आसिला. तनु से देखा in the above compounds. Next we will so carbon एठी valency ला combining capacity carbon ला एठी 4 टा हाइड्रोजन combine छि तनु valency केते 4. एठी 3 टा हाइड्रोजन combine छि तनु valency ला 3. एठी 2 टा combine छि केते ला गोटे कार्बन को 2 टा combine छि तनु valency ला 2. एठी गोटे combine छि गोटे कार्बन को तनु valency केते ला 1. So in the above compounds, so we can say that we can say that in the above compounds. So we can say that in the above compounds the valency of carbon, the valency of carbon is 4, 3, 2, 1 respectively. So we observe that in the above compounds the valency of carbon is 4, 3, 2, 1 respectively. Yeah. But we know that the valency of carbon is always 4. But we know that the exact valency of carbon is always 4. So the above definition. So the above definition about the valency is not देखो डेफिनेशन सर कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी कहला कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी जदि कहला से CH4 केते आसला चारटा CH4 रे इन केस ऑफ CH4 कार्बन बैलेंस 4 तापरटा केते आसला 3 तापरटा 2 तापरटा केते आसला 1 चलो गोटे एलिमेंट रो 4 भी आछी 3 आछी 4 आछी 3 आछी 2 आछी 1 आछी बट एक्साक्ट valency of carbon is always 4 but exact valency we know that the valency of carbon is always 4 जेहेतु कार्बन ओरिजिनल valency 4 so the above definition अनुसार एटा ठीक है ना तो this is actually old definition. Next we will discuss the modern definition of valency. Next we will discuss the modern definition of valency. Clear? Next I am writing the modern definition of, this is old definition, so simple old definition अनुसार कौन बोला valency is nothing but the combining capacity of element. Clear? चलो जितना हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन हेतिबो किंबा जितना क्लोरीन कंबाइन हेतिबो डबल द नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन सेटा तार valency. But next we will discuss the modern definition of valency. Modern concept or modern concept. Clear? Modern concept. Valency of an element is defined as the number of electrons lost. Valency of an element is defined as the number of electrons lost, gained or shared. Valency of an element is defined as the number of electrons lost, gained or shared by the elements Valency of an element, according to modern definition, valency of an element is defined as the number of electrons lost, gained or shared by the elements in order to acquire the stable nearest inert gas configuration. Nearest inert gas configuration. Nearest inert gas configuration. Valency of an element, ठीक है, हाँ इंशाल्लाह. Valency of an element is defined as the number of electron lost, gained or shared. केतटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस्ट करिछि. Valency of an element is defined as the number of electron गोटे एलिमेंट ता केतटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस्ट करिछि किंबा गेन करिछि किंबा शेयर करिछि by the elements in order to acquire the stable nearest inert gas configuration attempt. এটা एक्चुअली जाना पड़िबो केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. You will अष्टक सूत्र जो पढ़ी दियो अष्टक सूत्र ऑक्टेट रूल सैटिस्फाई करिया पे केतटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस्ट कले होउची किबा केतटा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कले होउची किबा केतटा इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कले होउची सेही जाना तार valency. से एलिमेंट रो सेटा तार valency. This is modern definition. So modern concept suggests valency of an element is defined as the number of electron lost. First point, number of electron lost. Second is number of electron gained or number of electron shared by the element in order to attain the stable nearest inert gas configuration, that is called valency. Clear?